Planning a menu for a restaurant or other food service facility is referred to as menu planning in the industry. An extensive range of choices is provided to the consumer on the menu when they visit a restaurant or bar to dine or drink. They provide a wide range of options and have varying prices depending on the ingredients used, the amount of time it takes to prepare the dishes, the season, and the availability of the goods. Depending on the daily meals, such as breakfast, lunch, and dinner, a menu may alter. In the food industry, menu planning assists the chef in managing the kitchen, helps the restaurant turn a profit, and keeps track of the ingredients that are available. A food menu, beverage menu, and drinks menu or bar menu are typically available at restaurants. A good rule of thumb is to limit a menu's list around 30 items to make it easier to handle. In addition, there are static menus that never change, allowing customers to choose items they have consistently loved or desired. A daily, or single-use, menu is relatively brief and typically updated every single day. Cycle menus are more common in non-commercial food services like hospitals, schools, institutions, universities, etc., and they run for a set amount of time only. A carefully thought-out menu can help you make money and save money and time. In addition to receiving praise and repeat business from patrons, a restaurant that plans and shops wisely can also free up storage space. When creating a menu, the name of the food item is listed first, followed by a brief explanation of how it is produced, the level of heat, any alternatives or variations, and finally a price for the customer's convenience. The restaurant menu must be carefully planned because it directly affects the industry's profit margin. This video distinctive conversational style makes buying a topic that anyone can understand. Before we start, make sure to click on the subscribe, like and bell button to get notification of the next upcoming new release videos. Let's go! The chapter outline in this video are things to consider when planning a menu. Types of menus. Know thy guest. The learning objectives in this video are: identify what influences what a food service operation sells. Identify the categories of menu misrepresentation. Be familiar with the many types of menus that food service operations use. Design a menu that meets the needs of the operation, works within the operation's constraints, and contains no areas of misrepresentation. Develop menu items that address consumers' desires. Things to consider when planning the menu. The very basic questions will be: can you produce the items? And can you serve the items correctly and profitably? Restaurant layout and design. New restaurants are flexible. Control over design and location can reflect initial menu. Existing locations offer challenges. Does design reflect menu changes? Will the facility support the new equipment required for menu change? Changes in beverage options usually not an issue. Product availability and consistency. Fresh ingredients may cost a premium in off-season. Consider offering specials as availability changes. Type of equipment. Extensive menus require more equipment. Consider equipment that multitasks. Be cautious when purchasing new equipment. Learn to cook on anything. Storage. Never enough space. Extensive menus require many ingredients. Options. Rent expensive storage space. Find vendors who will make frequent, even daily deliveries. Reduce items on the menu. Labor. Do your employees have the skill sets to produce the menu items? Can you balance the labor costs with sales? Options. Convenience foods. Fewer, less ambitious menu items. Guest desires. Ever-changing tastes. Changing dietary trends. Changing economy. Food show influences. Food and beverage trends. Know what's hot, and whether it is a trend or long-running or a fad or short-lived. Trends include decor, style of service, hours of service. Pay attention to every detail. Truth in menu. Don't mislead people. National Restaurant Association's 11 categories of misrepresentation to be avoided. Quantity should perhaps list actual weights or volume. Quality, be accurate. Price, are beverage refills free? Brand name, don't print Jell-O if it's a no-name gelatin. Product identification, maple syrup or maple-flavored syrup? Point of origin, does your beef really come from Colorado? Merchandising terms, be careful. Preservation, fresh means never bottled, dried, frozen, or canned. Means of preparation, is the patty grilled or broiled? It's a health issue for some. Illustrations or graphics, forget it. Nutrition labeling is coming, be prepared and be accurate. Types of menus. What food is available, and when? Meal part or day part menu, specific menu for time of day or meal. Cycle menu, a permanent limited menu with changing specials, for example pasta on Monday, salads on Tuesday. Daily menu, printed menu with standard offerings and daily specials or special occasion menu. Limited menus offer a limited number of items. Downtime menu. Early bird menu. Night owl menu. Casual menu. Most typical of limited menus, not priced as low as downtime menu. Offers a larger selection than downtime menu. Good for places with small kitchens and large dining rooms or lounges where speed is important. Pricing. A la carte menu, every item is priced individually, no value means or combination plates. Fixed price menu, one price for a set meal or combination of food and beverage items, also known as prix-fixe, all-inclusive, table d'hôte, taster, degustation, or chef's tasting and paired wines menus. Cafe menu, reduced priced, limited menu used in an area away from the main dining area. Variation, Sunday supper menu, usually includes a few choices at a fixed price. Designed to create business at an otherwise slow time. Menu formats. Tabletop menu, tabletop display, table tent. Menu board, chalkboard, may feature takeout items. Verbal menus, verbal list of the day's specials. Interactive menu, guests may mix and match orders, for example type of sauce, type of pasta, etc. Bingo catering menu, client picks items from a number of columns to create customized menu for an event. Computerized wine list, guests enter entree choices into handheld or tabletop computer and receive wine recommendations. Chef's menu, oh, let the chef order for me. Options.
Ask for advance notice from the guest as to preferences and have them prepared. See drawbacks below. Select special items from the menu. Put something special together that is not on the menu. Drawbacks requires knowledge of costs, knowledge of available wines for pairing, etc. Special menus. Drink list. Dessert menu. Room service menu. Catering menu. Now you get more understanding about menu planning in the food and beverage industry. Hope this session useful enough for you, and thank you very much for your time by watching this video. Greetings from the world of hospitality. See you on the next video.